Hi everyone, my name is Bhakti Vilankar and I am a featured writer for the August issue of the AMP magazine. First of all, I would like to thank the AMP magazine for giving me an opportunity to share one of my write-ups with you. To talk about myself, I am a student and I am doing my master's currently. Along with that, for the past 5 years, I have been writing and I love to read. I love to read all types of books, and my favorite series has to be the Harry Potter series. And I also like to watch movies and action. I love action movies. And yeah, so 5 years ago when I started writing, I started first writing up with small passages and small write-ups, and eventually then later on I started writing a fan fiction on Wattpad. And even today I continue writing one or two short stories on Wattpad, but the most of the writings that I do is on my blog. I recently started writing a blog around 10 months ago on WordPress. My blog's name is theheartytales.wordpress.com, and you can check it out if you want to read some of my writings. Most of my writings are based on what I feel, what I see around myself, and they are mostly related to the ideas that I get after reading something or watching some movie or something like that. And I am trying to develop my writing for the in this lockdown period. I mean, I'm trying to switch genres. Like, I mostly write something that is very emotional kind of things, but I'm trying to explore more and possibly write like something like mystery or something, mystery genre, because it is something that I don't write very often. If we have to talk about mental health, I think it is a very important subject that we need to talk about right now, because for the past 5 or 6 months, everybody has got a break from their original hectic lifestyle, and so now we are very much going through a big change in our lives. Like, everything used to be very hectic. We used to go out for work, for college, for schools, and now suddenly we are sitting in our houses, and that's kind of a big change for everyone. Even if some we like sitting in our houses, most of us feel like sitting in our homes is something that we don't do, so we are taking it positively, but still at some point you are going to start feeling suffocated in your own house. And that's why we need to start talking about mental health freely, because many people so for some people staying at home is not very safe, or for them it is not very free. So for such people, they should probably talk about it, and so that's why mental health is a very big issue that we need to take care and tackle very maturely in today's time. Also, it is 2020, so I don't think that anybody is supposed to be frowning upon someone having any mental health issues. It's we should be able to talk it freely. It's a very normal thing. And yeah, so that's something that we all should think about, and not be completely closed about it, because it's okay to have something that's going on with you. And I think that I may not be the best person to talk about this or to give any advice on it, but in my own about myself, if I have to talk, or some people might even agree with me, but I feel that talking helps. Like, if you can talk about it to anybody, like you have your friends, you have your families, so if you can talk to them, it's good. So that's one of the things that I feel it's good. And it's okay if you want to talk to some doctor or some therapist, and it's okay if you want to talk to such people also. And our government and many of the NGOs and foundations have given out these helpline numbers, so you should also call on it if you feel like talking about what you're feeling, and take help. So yeah, and if I have to talk about art as a medium to tackle mental health, I think it is one of the most important types of solution for it. I feel like because there are some people who feel free when they are performing some art. Like I have seen people who are very comfortable when they are dancing, when they are singing or playing some musical instrument or painting, or for me it's writing. So when you are doing one of the art forms that are there, then that's it's like a reboot to yourself, to your mind. And when you are done with it, like after some time, when you get back to your original lifestyle, you start feeling free, you start feeling fresh. And that is one of the important things I feel, like, to stop thinking about what is going on with you for some time at least, and start thinking about how life is beautiful. And art is a very beautiful medium, I feel, because even I have days when I'm down, and when I write down those thoughts, it's like it gets out of my mind for that some period, and I can concentrate on my work or my studies or whatever it is. So I feel mental health is a very important issue, and we all need to be matured and talk about it. Having said that, once again I would like to thank the AMP magazine for this opportunity. If you want to read my article, then you have to subscribe to the AMP magazine, and for that you can check the link in the description below. Thank you. Happy reading.